the whole Sussex area kind of comes together and sees just exactly what each individual society brings out, and the effigies, which are always different each year, and also just to remember the past and just to remember the gunpowder plot and essentially just what happens over the last 300 years and how that's changed over time.
Some of us also burn the Pope, who was around at the time who paid the Catholics to blow up the King and the Parliament, James I.